Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Pinterest and how to prevent mentions on your account using a PC. If you're looking to manage your privacy settings effectively, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Now, focus on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find several options. Look for Social Permissions and click on it. This section allows you to control how others can interact with you on Pinterest. Under the Mentions category, you will see an option that says Anyone on Pinterest, Only People You Follow, or Turn Off. To prevent anyone from mentioning you in their pins, choose the option labeled Turn Off. This will ensure that no one can tag you in their content. After making this selection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it. This step is crucial as it finalizes your settings and ensures that your preferences are applied. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully turned off mentions on Pinterest. This update gives you more control over your privacy and helps create a more tailored experience while using the platform. Remember, managing your social media presence is essential in today's digital world. Keeping your account settings updated not only enhances your privacy, but also allows you to enjoy Pinterest without unnecessary interruptions. Thank you for watching and happy pinning.